To cancel a check, first gather any necessary information, such as the names and addresses of all owners of the account, the account number, the amount of the check, the date when it was written, and the name of the person to whom it was made payable. You'll also need to make sure the check hasn't already cleared. Depending on your bank, you may need to take care of the cancellation in person, or you might be able to do it over the phone or online. Most banks charge a fee for canceling a check, which is usually around $30 to $35. When you put in the request for the cancellation, ask your bank how long it will take to go into effect. It may be immediate, or it may take up to a full business day. Since a stop payment usually lasts for a limited amount of time, try to get the check back from the payee so they won't be able to cash it at a later date. Either void the check by writing void across it in large letters, or shred it so that nobody will be able to use it in the future.